Oh shit. Good morning, guys. It's a new week and it is Monday. Let's go get this money, man. Also, guys, I wanted to say happy Easter. You know, it was Easter yesterday. It was raining bad, so we weren't able to record or do anything. We're kind of just at home. I hope you guys had a good Easter. Yeah, it was raining bad for us the last 2 days. I'm talking bad. This week I checked the weather and it's supposed to rain again. I think Thursday and Friday. So I hope it's not true. I think Friday's the highest percentage, which I hope it goes away. And then to make it even better, it says rain on Thursday and Friday, and then no rain on Saturday and Sunday. But then there's rain on Monday and Tuesday. Like, what? That's a downfall of working outside. Told Xzendo he's gonna start selling ads, bro. Alright, man. Bills gotta be paid. I might sell my camera, this GoPro, or I might just have it for just to have an extra camera because we do some certain type of videos and we need a different perspective. But I'm planning on getting a new camera. This one's cool and all, but I got the GoPro 11. The downfall to this is that it overheats pretty easily. The batteries die quicker, you know, than normal cameras. But I'm gonna be taking this for today, some gelatin, my Greek yogurt, and 2 oranges. Okay, I'll see you guys once I make it work. Peace. What is up, guys? It's lunchtime and look what I got. I got my goddamn chia seeds. I finally was able to find them, and yeah, I'm gonna start adding this into my water. If you guys don't know, chia seeds are pretty good. You know, they're high on fiber, and they help with your gut, you know what I'm saying, so you can digest shit a little better, you know what I'm saying. And overall, I've heard it helps like contain more water, you know what I'm saying, a little like more longer, so you know, sweating all that water out too quick if you sweat a lot, you know. So I definitely recommend adding chia seeds. You can add them to your water, to any type of drink, and yeah, they don't taste like anything, you know. It's like, yeah, but it's lunchtime, having lunch a little early today, and I got myself an orange, got my zero sugar jellies, and I got my yogurt right here with 2 jerky sticks. So I'm about to eat all of this real quick. I haven't eaten anything all day, so this is gonna be the first thing I'm gonna be eating. I didn't have any breakfast or anything, so yeah. 30 minutes on the clock, and I'm currently watching a new anime right now. Got my new earbuds here that I don't like. I already don't like them because look at that. They don't have a like a little cover thing on top, so all that dust, I need to leave them in the car. Just getting inside, you know, so it's no bueno, man. And since I work outside, it's even worse. All that dust just goes in easily. How was your guys' Easter? Hopefully you guys had a good time celebrating. We weren't able to do anything because it was raining Saturday and Sunday, and it was raining all day. Like, I'm talking about, it was bad, and just did like shit that we had to get done, so that's why we didn't end up going live this Saturday and Sunday. We were just really busy getting, you know, personal things done. All right, chat, we just got home and we're gonna get dressed to go hit the gym.
Yeah.
And then, dude, randomly sometimes he disappears, and he doesn't show up until like 20 or 30 minutes later.
Yeah, motherfucker, chuck, don't chunk.
Wait, I forgot we bought those new shirts. Chat, I need to wear this to work. See, me being lazy, not trying to unbutton this shit. Can you feed these hooligans?
Huh? You see I'm getting fucking dressed, bro? Huh? You believe this guy? Feed these fucking animals. Boy, just don't go there, bro.
Chores. I'm here to lay down the pipe. Where's she at? I mean, where the sink at?
Actually, combo pipe. Gotta fix up the whole bathroom, booty. Do the fucking pipe, man.
No. We gotta start buying this shit we need.
That's it.
We need to lay down the pipe.
Shit, don't go there, bro.
What'd you say?
Say it
Shit
again.
on what?
I'll say it again.
Oh, say it. You gonna say it again?
Yeah, she don't go.
Guys, he just called me a bad slur.
Oh, fucking.
Get him, Mike. Fuck you mean?
She don't hold there, bro.
It feels off right. What the fuck is it?
Take off the sticker.
Oh, there's another sticker inside. Alright, well, we're gonna head to the gym and we'll be right back. What? I was about to talk to the camera, you interrupted me and shit.
Let me talk to him. They don't want to hear you, bro.
Give him some motivational shit.
Hi.
Well, we upgraded our Wi-Fi, so Xzendo's gonna go do that while I start preparing the food real quick. But we just came back from the gym, and yeah. What else do you want me to say? Buddha, what are you guys cooking today? We're making pasta today. Making pasta, and we're gonna use this nice deal that we got. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get whatever we're gonna get on a deal. You feel me? I don't give a damn, bro. We weren't raised with silver spoons, man. We came out on the gutter, man. So when I see a deal, I'm gonna get it, bro. I don't give a damn. But yeah, we got some milanesa. We're gonna throw this in the pasta. We're gonna make tomato pasta. So see how that comes out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna cut this into small slices. So since it's so like thin, it's gonna make it easier just to cook. I'm adding water right now, so to the whatchamacallit, we're gonna stack this shit. Alright? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I see nothing but protein in that. It's like I'm eating salmon right now. But yeah, look at that. And we just wanna cut these into thin slices, like just like that. Just like that. Yeah, for the people, I apologize again for not being able to stream on Saturday and Sunday, or even upload a video. No, I did upload a video. Never mind. What am I talking about? Stream. Like I said, we're really busy just taking care of obligations or whatever the fuck you want to call them, like real life things that we got to take care of. This Saturday and Sunday looks like it's not gonna rain, so I have some ideas, you know, that we're gonna do. So we are gonna be be expecting some new videos, some new contents coming out very soon. For now, just be enjoying these vlogs, man. I know you guys be enjoying these a lot. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, man. Alright, we got that right there heating up. That's what it is. We're just gonna throw some salt, some garlic salt. We're gonna throw some onion in there. Cause why not? Onion gives it a flavor, you feel me? Onion, paprika, like the paprika, la paprika, and some chili powder. Get a little kick in there, baby. There we go. And now we throw this beet in there. gonna be sizzling just yet. So here we go. We're gonna let that right there just get that. While that heats up, I want to show you guys what we got. This is what we got, boys and girls. We got some tostadas, so we're gonna make some chicken salad tomorrow. We don't have any tostadas. We got this bag of lettuce. We actually end up grabbing bags of lettuce just like this because it's easier for us to just, you know, instead of cutting it and all that, instead of grabbing that little ball, you know. We used to grab the ball, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, we wouldn't eat the whole thing, so we don't want to, you know, we don't like wasting food. So yeah, we just get these and just throw this whole bag in there, and it won't go to waste. I ended up grabbing more pork chorizo. You know, you can't go bad with this. We ended up grabbing a pack of chicken as well, so we don't have any chicken. So, and we also got mac and cheese. We're gonna find a way to make homemade mac and cheese. We gotta start making homemade, but this is the one that we usually get. So we can make our chicken buffalo mac and cheese. But you know, I also had to get my bread. And if you're Mexican, you know, bro, you gotta have tortillas. So I ended up finding these ones right here, which they're not that bad. 25 calories for a tortilla. That's pretty good, and you get 2 grams of protein. Fiber is pretty good. No added sugar. Nice. And I ended up grabbing these other tortillas. These are pretty good too. These are actually, I recommend heavily. 60 calories per tortilla, 7 grams of protein, and 14 grams of fiber. So they're gonna digest pretty good. Also, I found these. I don't know if I showed you all these already. I probably did. But 26 grams of protein for these yogurts that I found. These are new. I'm gonna start trying these. 190 calories, 26 grams of protein, total sugar 5. Everything else looks pretty good. I mean, they taste nice. I tried them already, and I recommend them. All right, I gotta throw in the noodles. We're gonna use penne today. We gotta get a different type of pasta. This protein pasta, which we're gonna change to, but we already had like 2 of these boxes up there, so we gotta use them up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna do penne today. Oh yeah, let me show y'all real quick. Got the noodles right here. I'm gonna start stirring them, and then we got the thin sliced milanesa right here, bro. See how quick it is? See how quick it cooks because it's so thin? I like that. You know, we're just gonna let it sit there and tender until it dissolves, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and I guess I'll pick up the vlog once food is ready. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
See how long it takes.
Pardon me?
No, it's finally loading.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Should be on now. Alright, yep, the Wi-Fi's on. Connected.
Fantastic. Alright, so you called in to just recap. You called in to activate that motor. Got activated, got you online. Anything else I can help you with tonight?
Nope, that'll be it. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. I thank you for using Spectrum. You have a great night.
You as well. Good night.
All right.
Hurry up, bro. Fuck.
So bean right up. I mean,
Oh, I don't know what he said, but
he said something.
over here talking forever, dude. Yeah, we got no internet, boys. So the video should be uploaded quicker now.
No promises though. We don't know yet.
I feel ya. No, they told us, bro.
Yeah, they did tell
See,
me.
no, we're canceling that shit.
Yeah, we're gonna go suck his cock.
Go get Cricket Wireless, bro.
We're watching it here.
But yeah, the food is done, guys. Did you drop that?
No, you gotta close it. So in case I do drop it.
As you can see, this shit came out amazing.
They clearly can't see. They're blind.
Only thing we're missing right now is some Parmesan. Bro, I swear, this is the 5th time this week our neighbor cut his lawn, bro. Am I high? Or did we not just see him cut his lawn yesterday?
Maybe. Is there a problem?
Yeah. I'm trying to eat in peace. I'm trying to be my meat. No, I'm
Dumbass up, bro. Come on.
Y'all don't know nothing about that. I'm a little way. You know who you're talking to, bro? That's Heisenberg.
Next time, pliers.
Summer school for you,
Hey,
bitch.
why am I looking like a bitch? But he Heisenberg.
Oh, yeah.
Once he turns into Heisenberg, he ain't no bitch.
He's active, bro. He check his bodies, right? Shout out to anybody named Miguel. Miguel!
Miguel.